Video has gone viral with over 9 lakh views, showing drivers making multiple complaints such as delay in payment. VinFast's backed Green SM recently launched its electric taxi service, offering a steady income flow for drivers and hassle-free experience for customers. The first was launched in Delhi NCR region and is planned to be introduced in other cities in a phased manner. A recent video showing online shows a group of GM drivers complaining about the multiple issues with the taxi service. As of now, it's not known if it's a widespread issue or limited to a few drivers. Unlike other taxi operators such as Ola, Uber, and others, Green SM has taken different approach to taxi service. In addition to deploying an all-electric field limo Green, the brand also promises professional service for commuters. Another benefit is there's no surcharge or time-based peak hour charges. Green SM also seeks to benefit drivers by helping them earn regular income. But as shown in the video, the ground reality is very different. As per the advertised pay plan, GM Green SM drivers were promised a guaranteed income of 40,000 Indian rupees. The driver says this has not been the case. One of the key grievances are delayed payment. This particular group of drivers are saying they've been operating their taxis for 3 to 4 weeks. They are not yet to get any payment. Another common issue is getting less money than promised. One driver said they only received rupees 700 after working for 20 days. Another driver alleged that only rupees 1,100 was credited to his account. Drivers have also reported receiving only 33% of the fare as compared to 35% of the fare promised by the company. There is also complaints about frequent changes in the policy of the company. Some drivers say the new rules have been introduced governing the eligibility criteria for the minimum guaranteed income scheme. According to drivers, rupees 35,000 were promised for the first 2 months, irrespective of the number of trips or bookings. There are also complaints about insufficient balance and FASTag, forcing drivers to pay toll from their own pocket. Green SM taxi service positioned as a game changer with focus on benefiting all stakeholders. An electric fleet style, corporate style, professional service, and steady income for drivers are among the key USPs. If the allegations are true, it raises long-term sustainability of the taxi service. VinFast has extensive experience in operating similar services in different countries, and hopefully an effective resolution can be achieved.